See how the LabLab AI event winners use TrueLens by TrueEra, Intel, Portkey and Pinecone technologies to create groundbreaking apps in areas such as education, productivity and healthcare. Our first place winner, CogniSmile, leverages the power of AI to spark children's creativity and turn learning into an adventure. Kids become active participants in crafting their own stories and personalized journeys reflecting their values and interests ignite young minds. Our second place winner, ConsciousClick, empowers users to manage their internet usage. Internet addiction is a global concern, but with a personalized plan, accountability buddy, and blocking technology, you can regain control of your online habits. Third place winner, Simply MediAssist, cuts through complex medical jargon with clear language, empowering patients to understand their health information, make informed decisions, and bridge the communication gap with healthcare providers. Are you ready to join the ranks of top AI builders? Your journey begins with LabLab AI, where imagination and AI merge to solve real-world challenges.